This young female bear, less than 6 years old, is already fully independent. She's superbly adapted to life on the frozen ocean, protected from the cold by thick insulating fat and a double layer of fur. This time of year is the best time for feeding. The ringed seals on which she depends feed on fish and are swimming 40 meters beneath her. But after 10 minutes down there, they must return to the few gaps in the ice to take a breath and rest. She has acute hearing and one of the most sensitive noses in nature. She can detect a seal's lair beneath 2 meters of snow and ice. Timing is everything. Only 1 in 10 attempts is successful. So for a young bear, each meal is very important. But a male has picked up the scent of the kill. Large males pose a real threat. But she stands her ground. Remarkably, rather than fight, they start to play. And then they set off to explore together. Well fed and still young, these two seem to be forming a friendship. She shows off the swimming skills that enable her to move with ease between water and ice. She's behind you. Dancing on ice. Apparently, just for the joy of it. After 3 hours together, they part company and return once again to their solitary lives.